Okay, we had left here in this question number 23 where we were told that you have got to talk about pair of two consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10 and the sum should be more than 11. Okay, so we would say we remember how do we use to assume odd positive integers. So if one is x, the other odd comes after a jump of 2. After 3, 4, left 5, then 7, then 9. Okay, so consecutive one after the other. So if one is x, the other odd positive integer would be x plus 2. So that is how we'll suppose. Let one of the number be x, then the other, its consecutive odd positive integer would be x plus 2. And we were told that both these numbers are supposed to be less than 10. Okay, so x will also be less than 10 and x plus 2, the other number, will also be less than 10. Means this will give you x is smaller than 8. Okay, तो एक कंडीशन हमारे पास आई थी x is smaller than 10, उसको हमने मेंशन नहीं किया है. वाई? बिकॉज यहाँ से हमें ऑलरेडी मिल गया है x is smaller than 8. तो we've got the other limit. Any x which is smaller than 8 is automatically smaller than 10 also. Okay, so वो merge हो गया इसमें. When I say x is smaller than 8, x is smaller than 10 automatically आ जाएगा. That is why one limit is this. For the other one, then we were told about the sum. So if you find that condition, if you apply that condition, x plus 2, first number plus the other number should have been greater than, the sum should have been more than 11. That is how it was said. So that gives you 2x. This should have been plus 2 beta, okay, which you'll take to the other side. So this step straight away. X plus x, 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. That is x is greater than 9 by 2. Changing it to mix, 4.5. Okay, so we have got this limit that x is supposed to be greater than 4.5 but smaller than 8. वो हमने पहले ही लगा दी थी condition. Okay, so now we were talking about odd odd integers. So odd integers in this range. After 4.5, which is the first odd number you get? 5. Then the next 7. Then the next 9, but that will go beyond this. Okay, so आपका यहाँ से x के क्या solutions निकल के आएंगे? Only 5 and 7. These are the odd numbers which satisfy x being more than 4.5 and less than 8. Okay, so that way. Then उनका अब आपसे पेयर पूछा गया था. So with 5 the other consecutive would be 7 and with 7 the other one would be 7 plus 2, 9. So these are the two pairs which satisfy the condition mentioned here. See, the next one is also similar only, children. Okay, pair of consecutive even positive integers larger than 5. Okay, so x and x plus 2, again you will assume, because be it even, be it odd, both of them have a jump of 2, then plus 2, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8. That way it goes. Okay, and their sum is less than 23. So first equation, x should be greater than 5. X plus 2 should also be greater than 5. That is how you'll get it, which will give you x should be larger na. So should be greater than 5 minus 2 means x should be greater than 3. तो इन दोनों का अगर आप merge करोगे, x greater than 3 and x greater than 5, any x which is greater than 5 में automatically आ गया x greater than 3. If x is greater than any number which is greater than 5 has to be automatically greater than 3. So आपका एक limit लगेगा, x is greater than 5, and then we have to talk about their sum. So when we are talking about the sum, that is how it comes. Again 2x, and but this time it should be smaller than, the sum was supposed to be smaller than 23. So 2x smaller than 23 minus 2, or x smaller than 21 by 2, that means 10.5. So now you look for all even numbers between 5 and 10.5. Those will be, first comes out to be 6, then 8, and then 10 will also be included. 10.5 se to chota hi hai. Okay, so 3 pairs you will get out here, right? So similar question. Now 25th one, children, again not difficult at all. They've given you the longest side of the triangle is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. Then you have to, perimeter of the triangle should be at least 61. Then what will be the minimum length of the shortest side? So shortest side is in question. Let us start by assuming, let the shortest side be x. Then we were told that the longest side is 3 times the shortest side, so it becomes 3x. Then we were told the third side is 2 less than the longest side. So longest side 3x हो गई, उससे 2 less -2. Okay, so these all babyish questions, you all can easily get them. So perimeter, sum of all the three sides. One was x, shortest we had assumed, longest, and the third side. This sum is at least 61. So least, I told you, at least means this is the minimum value. It can be more. So the sign will come greater than equal to. This perimeter can be more than 61 but not less. At least 61. So that's the sign we take. Greater than equal to. Okay, then again summing it up. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7x. This 2 will go to the other side. So this becomes 63. 63 upon 7. 9 times it's cancelling. So our x is supposed to be greater than equal to 9. अब हमसे पूछा था what is the minimum length. तो x can be anything more than 9 but not less than 9. So सबसे पहला value of x would be 9. The minimum most value is 9. Right? So that is how you have to solve them. Now the last one given there has to say a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeters. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. The third length will be twice as long as the shortest. Okay, so 3 lengths mentioned here. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeters longer than the second? So the hint is also given, children, in the book itself, and otherwise even the hint is not required. Little bit brains you apply. Then we have to talk about the shortest length, of course. So we'll start by assuming that let the length of the shortest piece be x, suppose. Then we were told the second length is supposed to be 3 more than, that becomes x plus 3. Then the third is twice as long as the shortest. So x cut double, 2x. Okay, so first piece shortest x, second piece x plus 3, third piece 2x. No confusion there. Now obviously all these three pieces have to be cut off from this whole length 91. तो जब यही 91 है तो इनका जो सम आप करोगे कैन नॉट गो बियॉन्ड 91. तो फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी आपकी क्या बन के आएगी, द सम, द लेंथ ऑफ सम ऑफ दीज थ्री पीसेज, दिस शुड बी प्लस हियर, x plus 3 plus 2x. फर्स्ट पीस प्लस सेकेंड प्लस थर्ड. तो ये पूरे पीसेज हमारे 91 से निकले हैं. सो दिस लेंथ हैज टू बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 91. प्रिसाइज कटिंग 91, थोड़ी कटफट आपने कुछ लॉसेस कर दिए, स्मॉलर बट कैन नॉट बी मोर. जब 91 है ही अवेलेबल, उसके बियॉन्ड नहीं जा सकता है. दैट इज हाउ यू गेट योर फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी. यू कैन सॉल्व इट फ्रॉम हियर. 2 plus 3 plus 1 4x and 3 goes to the other side. So by now you know how to do it. Okay, तो एक लिमिटेशन यहाँ से आएगा. दूसरा, we were also told that what the shortest what if the third piece that was 2x, third piece हमारा 2x था. This third piece is at least 5 longer than the second one. Second was this. So 5 more. तो x plus 3 में plus 5. And this is at least है, तो greater than का sign आएगा. Okay, so this third piece can be more but not less. Okay, at least means more but not less. So 2x should be greater than equal to 5 more than the third piece. That is how you get your next constraint. Okay, so दोनों inequalities solve होके फिर आपका solution would be something like this. Okay, so one limitation you're getting x is smaller than equal to 22. From the other one you're getting x should be greater than equal to 8. So that's the range. Hence we would say the possible length of the shortest board would be equal to 8, but it should be less than 22. Right?